Welcome everyone to Yoga with me. I'm Lina, and today we're doing a sweet, gentle, relaxing, cozy yoga practice for you. You can do this in your bed or on the mat. If you're on the mat, have a pillow and a blanket to get comfortable and cozy. So pop into something comfortable and cozy and let's get started. So if you've got a blanket or a pillow, you can sit on top of that and just bringing your hands on your lap or on your knees. And just taking a nice deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just feel your shoulders dropping. Breathing in again. This time allowing your breath to flow all the way to your belly. And as you breathe out, feel you letting go of your day and your whole body just relaxing. Allowing yourself to become present on the mat, or if you're on your bed, just becoming present to this moment. It's the only moment you have. And then gently opening your eyes, and let's do some gentle shoulder rolls. And the other way. And do some neck rotations one way. Slowly taking your time. Might hear or feel some crunches, that's okay. Just take your time. One more round this way. And then the other way, just slowly, gently taking your time. And then we're just going to go breathing in, and we're just going to look up, arching your spine one way. And as you breathe out your neck, you're going to be looking down and arching your spine the other way. Breathing in and looking up. Breathing out and looking down. One more time, breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, looking down. And then coming to the center, feeling taller, allowing your tailbone to just ground into the earth, feeling that your spine is a little straighter. And then you can stay here cross-legged or bringing one leg over the other. So knee on top of the other. And the same arm to leg, bringing it over. Now you can have your arms like this or twist them round. And if they are twisted, just touching them to your forehead, taking a nice deep breath in. And breathing out slowly, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, allowing your arms to let go. Let's do the other side. Remember, you can stay cross-legged or bring the leg over. Straighten your arms, same leg to same arm. Again, if you can't twist, bringing your hands like this or twisting over. And this time you're just going to take your arms away from you. Just head gently back, opening up your throat. Just nice deep breath in here. And breathe out. Breathe in again. And breathe out and just let go. And then bringing your legs as wide as you can. And then just breathing in, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down and just coming forward. Now you might be here, you might be here, you might be here. Perfect. Just feeling a beautiful stretch on this side here. And at the back of your leg, you might want to flex your feet to further that stretch. Stretch your toes. Sometimes our toes get neglected. Then coming up slowly, coming over to the other side, breathing in, stretching up, breathing out and coming down. Remember, stretch your toes. You might want to stretch your fingers as well. Breathing in and coming up. Now we're going to come to the floor, come onto your pillow, putting your blanket to one side just for now. And we're going to take our legs to one side, crossing the one leg over the other. And you're going to bring one hand over to that side and the other side. So you're feeling a stretch on the side, like a banana. Just breathing in and stretching up. Just relaxing into it just for a moment. One more deep breath in. Breathing out. One more deep breath in. Breathing out. And then bringing your legs to the center, head to the center. Let's go over to the other side. So taking your leg over. One foot over the other. Hands on the other side. Just feeling a beautiful stretch here. Breathing deeply. Relaxing into the pose. Sometimes certain postures feel very difficult, and life is like that sometimes, isn't it? So just surrendering and just doing what feels comfortable to you. Follow what feels right. Honor your body. One more deep breath in. As you breathe out, come to the center. And then just bringing one leg in, holding in, and then just bringing it back. This is wonderful if you feel bloating sometimes. Really great for the digestive system. And then allow it to release, let go. Let's bring the other leg in. Even flexing your feet here and giving them a beautiful stretch. Stretch out your toes. And then just relax down, bringing both feet in. Give yourselves a hug. Roll from side to side. Hugging is so wonderful. And then just bringing your legs up if you can. You might want to widen them. You might want to rotate your feet. You might even want to bring your hands to your feet. This is called happy baby. Sometimes babies do this. They play. You might want to stretch one leg out, the other leg out. Oh, I'm touching the plant here. And then you might want to straighten both legs. And then just bring them down. And then just bringing your arms out like a T. And then you're just going to take knees in one direction, head in the other. Bringing it over the other side. Just gently taking your time. Relaxing into it. Remember to breathe. And then just staying in that direction. Maybe you want to rotate your hip in one direction and then the other direction. And then coming to the center, let's take it over to the other side. Rotating your hips one way. Be closing your eyes. And then the other way. Even pushing your hip a bit further. And then coming to the center, head to the center, legs to the center. And then just straightening out your legs. Now, if you've got a blanket, you can put your blanket over you. If you're in bed, you can pull the covers over you and just staying here. If you are in bed, you can just fall asleep. Thank you so much for taking the time for practicing with me. I hope this will help you to have a restful sleep. I know that we're all very, very busy, and sometimes we don't take care of ourselves. It's a wonderful practice of self-care. Self-care is so important. And if you are going through menopause, I've got a free workshop for you. The link is below. It will help you to navigate it with a little bit of ease and comfort and a bit of confidence as well. I wish you a wonderful, restful sleep. If you've benefited and enjoyed this practice, please do share with others who may benefit, subscribe, and I really look forward to practicing with you again. Until next time, namaste.